last night, so we're gonna have to go to breakfast and then try to get out of here.
Bruh.
You ain't bro. It is always very quick when I come to Saskatoon, so I think we're still waiting for a trip that we can enjoy the city in, not like a in and out sort of thing. It's literally every time in and out, and do what we came to do and then out. Where do you want to eat breakfast? Bubbles. Breakfast. I also forgot my charger, and so my battery is on like 10%. See. Let me do it on you. Breakfast. Living Sky Cafe. when you want something, you must just buy it. When you see something you want it, you must just buy it. I can't find a book anywhere. It's snowing. Jumping, 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 jumping. Wow. On our way back to Regina. As you can see, it's quite the treacherous drive. We're probably an hour and a half out at this point, and it's giving blizzard. Like, look at this. Watch this money. Bless you. You can't imagine if it's that job by himself.
A few moments later.
Like, we're still sitting here. He's still got the coffee in his hand. All of us talking. Huh? I know, but I'm just saying, like, you can see it was, the visibility was crap not too long ago, and we're not even sitting here for 5 minutes properly. And look at this.
thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do, yeah. You can love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do, yeah. You can love me better than you. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you.
Alright, we're finally home. I hope I don't look as tired as I feel, but I'm after warm food in my belly and sleep. And you see that? That needs to come down at some point. When that's gonna happen? Because I've just had I had a crazy long work week. I don't think next week will be better. And there's a couple of things I need to do. So yeah. We're home, we're safe. That 3-hour trip. So the drive between Regina and Saskatoon is about 3 hours. And we drove it in about 3 hours yesterday. Today there was snow overnight, there was snow this morning, the snow was drifting. It's super cold, super windy. The snow is fluffy and light, so it's blowing all over the highway, blowing up. There are a couple of times where I was like, oh crap, if there's another vehicle just beyond this snow, you know, it's scary. And then there's of course the ice. There's sections of the highway that is just covered in ice. So not the most fun return, but yeah, I'm alright, we're alright. And I'm gonna clock out. I'm gonna have it. Yeah, I don't even know. Shibi, what you want to eat? No, that I'm in love. Alright.
Definitely when you ask Daddy, he's gonna say.
Yeah, so y'all don't know. Soon. So I've got clean hair, and what I'm trying to convince myself to do right now is to go and pack. We're going on a trip, and I'm trying to not leave it to the last minute, because I'm trying not to leave it to last minute, but it's highly unlikely. I am having a frozen drink from DQ on a day where I'm pretty sure there was a cold warning. Yep, an extreme cold warning on my phone just came through about 2 hours ago. There you go. But here I am. And I'm also not cold. Okay. I have to pack for all three of us. And I think things a little bit like I've tried to get started a couple of times throughout last week and didn't. I packed like one pouch, so now I'm just gonna have to find time to do all of it. That's not true. Shivi's suitcase was packed. I didn't want to have to guess and spell and try to figure out where things are, so I did pack Shivi's suitcase. I need to pack for me and hubby. Hey, I'm doing better than I thought. I'm also working on, like, I wanted to get dolled up and talk to you guys for this, but I created, like, I didn't work on my personal brand in 2024, and so 2025 I'm rearranging my priorities to make sure that that does get done this year, and I have plans. So one of the things I have planned is more content on YouTube. I want to keep going with that. I want to keep that consistency. And yes, the truth is I could go faster if I put out more videos, but I also know that I am at heart not a record and upload type of girl. Like, I enjoy this. I enjoy the process of recording. I enjoy the process of editing and then having a video to upload. I enjoy the entire thing, and I don't want to get into a situation where I'm just posting to grow. Like, of course that's the goal, but that's not the only thing I want to do. I feel like I'd be burnt out much faster. I'd have less drive to do it if I did it that way, and so on. So I'm not gonna do that. And when I can, like, life comes in seasons, right? Ebbs and flows, and I feel like whenever I can, like whenever a season allows me to, I'll post 2 videos a week, or even 3. Like, I'll just post more whenever a season allows me to. But I'm gonna be realistic and stick with my 1 video per week schedule, since that is what is working right now. But I've compromised in pushing myself to say, hey, okay, try to make the videos longer, right? And I don't think that should be too hard. When I look back, whenever I am editing videos, I cut a lot of footage. I really do. I cut, like, sometimes I record a lot, and then I'm thinking nobody wants to be watching this scene for 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 4 minutes, and so I either speed it up, like really speed it up, times 20, times 8, times 4, or I trim it, or sometimes both. And you know, I don't know, I was listening to something that said just post a video. You know, people will watch, and your people will find you. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just post. Like, I'm not gonna intentionally make them boring or anything. I'm just gonna trim less. just so that there's more content to be enjoyed, and then I won't feel so bad about continuing my 1 video per week schedule when clearly you guys and the algorithm would prefer more. So I'm just working on it like that, and we'll see how that goes. I am also like you saw in my other vlog that I was looking for this book called The 12-Week Year, so I'm working on my 12-week year, and we can evaluate, like at the end of every 12 weeks we can reevaluate and see where we are, like what's going on, how the channel is responding and things like that, because the idea is to grow, and then think about it, because I do feel like I also need to pay a little bit more of attention to other areas of my life, and so I'm gonna do that, you know, in 2025. And so this is just one part in a larger machine. So yeah. Look what I got. I picked this up this week because I wanted to make it easier, and I got the Pocket Osmo 3 or Osmo Pocket 3. Yeah. There we go. Ooh. Yeah. So that would be great for vlogs and things. That'll be great for vlogs and things. This is way easier to be, like, I love my Z30, but it's not great for traveling and vlogging. So I'll cut this out, but yeah. So this baby right here is a hell of a lot easier. Like, I've already tried it out, you've already gotten content from it. It's a hell of a lot easier than the arm. So gave myself this little treat right here, and yeah, I'll continue to use my Z30 at home, and then this bad boy for on-the-go stuff. So I think that we're ready for this new year. What do you think? It has been 2 days now, and I have not started packing, and I'm not gonna start tonight either because I'm not feeling well. This is why I like to start early, but it just hasn't happened this time around. And so now we're leaving in we're leaving in 2 days, and yeah, major packing needs to happen still, but we'll see how that goes. So I have one of these. It fell and broke, and I love it, so I got another one. This Mix Contour Palette. This is some liquid blush. This is some e.l.f. Soft Glam foundation, and this is a loose powder, clean invisible cover girl. I used to be a cover girl girly when I first started wearing makeup. This is also another this is a bronzer palette. This is just some pin thingies that I needed. And this is Buttermilk Bronzer. Wet and Wild. And then this is just some green pencil. And I got this thing right here. Yeah, so that's it. Very specific. I know exactly what I wanted. Some makeup. I typically don't buy this much makeup all at once, but you know, as you grow up, you need some more things. And sometimes, like, I'm tired of trying to do my makeup. Like, I have stuff, right? Like, I have makeup, but I'm tired of trying to do like a full face and not having, like, I'm missing key things. So, you know, I just like just get them so you can do some good makeup. So I got some good makeup now. Yeah. Testing different foundations over the next few days, and this morning I'm wearing, oh no, what did I do with it? Oh, this one. This is L'Oreal Paris Lumi. It's got more yellow undertones than I care for, but we'll see. Let's see how it holds up today. Looks okay in the camera to me. Alright, so like I was saying, it is the night before we leave. Talk about the struggles, eh? So I don't have any choice but to pack tonight. But before that, because I refuse to leave dirty clothes in the house and I refuse to leave a dirty house, I've got to fold laundry and clean. Listen, let's go, because that's all I can say.
On a plane to California, I had all the time I'd ever need. Did you even know I was looking for you? I think that that I was hiding in between. How long did you wait for me? How long did you really need to figure it out?
Okay, so how about that? Babe, how about that?
Huh?
How about that?
What is happening?
Something's happened to the screens. Okay, so at the airport, ready for this long day. And guess what? I'm not sleep yet. And guess what? I'm not gonna sleep. Because I can't sleep on the flight. The flight is uncomfortable. So I cannot sleep. I cannot sleep when I'm uncomfortable. You know who will sleep? Hi. Anyway. Any guesses where we're going this time? Anyway, it's super cold and I am happy to be escaping it. You can't hang off like that. If you're gonna be up there, you have to just be up there properly. Let me tell you things that I'm too old for. Being awake for 24 hours straight. This is not for me. This is not my ministry. I don't want it. Yo, I wanted to sleep so bad that when the plane took off, like the plane started taxiing, and I know I wasn't awake for 30 seconds of that taxiing. 30 seconds after the plane started taxi, I know I wasn't awake. I woke up mid-air. Seatbelt sign off. Dead to the world. As uncomfortable as planes are, and I've never been able to sleep because it's so uncomfortable. Guess who was dead asleep? Things that I am too old for. Being awake for 24 hours straight. I don't want it.